I'll tell the girls the good news. You don't know? This will make them happy. I have a good news for you guys. What do you think? Guess it. Guess my good news.
Walay klase ugma.
She's eating.
Walay klase ugma. Walay klase ugma.
Is that what you guess?
Ow.
You think that's exactly what I wanted to say?
Yeah.
You're smart. You'll just go tomorrow.
No school?
Yeah.
Yay!
I got an email. Yeah, it's Wednesday tomorrow, and I got an email.
Thursday?
Thursday yung tuition.
Pwede na akong pakita niyo mo sa akong kuan? Picture? Ma?
Sakto kayo ko!
Ma?
What in yung picture?
Pwede na akong magpakita na ako. Katawa akong ipang screenshot niyo mo sa Shein.
Sana all guys kayo.
Yay!
Told you they want break from school.
For me.
Thursday, Rock Friday, duha ka day. Tapos break tayo.
I'm gonna watch a movie. Actually, I was thinking about napping. Pero gosh lang taog ano ba? Movie. Uy, napay mga ano guys, may maliliit pa na snow doon sa gilid-gilid na hindi na ano ng araw. Hindi pa sila totally dissolved. Pero yung area kung saan na heat ng sun, dissolved na yung snow. Baka hindi ito yung last na snow. Baka magkakaroon pa kami ng snow. Sa lido! Magkakaroon pa kami ng snow, more snow. You don't like ice cream, Yash? You want ice cream? Si Daddy kay nagbasa. Pero basta nagigutom si Daddy na 2:47. Wala talaga kaming gagawin. Hindi ko alam. Ito na lang. Opo, nood Netflix. Guys, may nabili akong plant. Nabili namin to sa Sam's. Kasi may nakita kami sa Lowe's ba. Same na ganito, pero mahal. Like, that was $35. Ito, nabili namin for like $18 lang. So, itong plant na to is maliit pa siya. Pero tutubo naman to guys. So, it's okay. No worries. Pang indoor plant siya. Parang saging, kumbaga. Paunti-unti akong bumili para malagyan natin ng mga plants yung ating loob ng bahay. Well, Yasli is mopping. Very good, very good. Kawawa to pag ilagay sa lambas kay perting kung nawa. Pero muna siya kamatyunon, no? Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko sa halaman na to. O, na brown, oh. Ang tumoy ba? Nag-brown siya. What's the plan today? You have to exercise your hands too. Wala kaming gagawin today. Maglilinis lang ng bahay. Yasli needs to do this. You have to do this now. Okay. Next Friday, you will go back to physical therapist na naman. And she will be asking you, what did you do for the entire week? Naglalaban ako kahapon, guys. I had finished laundry yesterday. Pero may mga gagawin pa tayo here. Ano to? Mga labhonon. Pili pala kami ng portable na heater. Nagpunta kami, si Belle yung bumili nito guys. Tinanggal niya kahapon just to see kung kompleto ba. This one, Mr. Heater. Ito, ilalagay namin to sa garage kasi magti-training siya with his student back again after, yung after holiday. 2 weeks na wala silang training kasi merong Christmas break and New Year's break. And since ang difference, ang difference kasi guys is yung aming garage is hindi siya nasalit when it comes to like heater inside the house. So yung sa garage namin right now, it's very cold, like sobrang cold. So, pag nagte-training, of course, they need something para to keep them warm. Kasi sobrang lamig po talaga. You want me to take it out? I'll take it out. Can you? Yeah. And then I'll bring them in here. And this one, that one is these here. And I don't know where else. bilis ng oras, guys. Naglilinis ako ng aming toilet. She is requesting me na ibalbasan na ako iyang legs kay daganda ko siya ano, daganda ko siya hair. Are you crying? Are you faking crying? We are finished eating except Yashli. Kay dugay kay may bakod, guys. Even if she's awake. You know what's funny? Outside, may snow pa sa labas, guys. Are you out? You been out, Kali? You want to go out? You wanna go out? Yung snow. Yung iba nagmi-melt na dito na side kasi yung ano pala, this side is hindi siya na ano ka ng init ng araw. But, oh, look at this. There are still little snow. Ice na lang siya. Ayan, oh. But this side, wala na. Wow. Still very cold right now. Mamatay man siguro nino. Super bugnaw. Yung si Daddy, sabi ni Daddy, dapat pala nirap namin to ng ano, plastic. Pero wala akong plastic eh. Please. Leave. Mabuhay ka. I think when we went to Lowe's, meron doon na, no, hindi siya Lowe's. Ay, somewhere in College Station, meron nagbebenta sila ng, like, for example, apple tree. Mga grapes. Sabi ng asawa ko, gusto mo bang bumili? Kasi itatanim natin sa backyard. Pwede siguro, no? I'm gonna ask him again. Baka pwede kaming magtanim ng fruits in our backyard. That would be nice to have fruits, actually. Good morning. I'm making breakfast. It's already 9:16 in the morning. So, meron tayong bacon. Then, scrambled eggs din ako. And then, itong ham for breakfast. And then, mag-toast ako ng bread. I did not finish the vlog yesterday. Kasi, we don't have so much things going on. Wala kami sobrang ganap yesterday. It was just the snow thing. The rest, wala. Nakastambay na kami kasi hindi kami makalis ng bahay. But today, I think we're fine. I think pwede na today mag-drive sa labas. And then, I think pupunta kaming store today kasi may pinapabili si mom. But, yung mga kids walang school. Fry lang natin itong ating ham. Ito yung favorite ko pala na ham, guys. Sobrang sarap nito. Nagpapadala ako nito sa Pinas. Sobrang sarap nito. Dutch Colony. Actually, cook na pala to. Konting gabit lang. But the kids wants it crispy kasi. We just got home from church today. It's Sunday, guys. January 26. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kaninang morning. Well, I made a video kaninang morning. Because we're doing something crazy. Uy, ang nga pala. Hindi pa nabuksan tong ano. Guys, please help Daddy B. Nag-grocery kami. We went to Sam's after church. Kaya ang tagal naming nakabalik sa bahay. It's already 2 p.m. And yung mga bata gusto kumain ng... What do you want to eat? Pizza? We will be doing whole. Ang dami namin binili, guys. Like, super dami namin binili. Like, grocery yan, mga meat, everything. But I have to put this first kasi ice cream ito. So, let me do this. Rakan ko natin ito. Magamay na kayo na. It's very little. Wait. What is that, babe? Woo! Ah! Is that for Nicole?
Huh? Is that for Nicole?
Maybe.
Oh!
Is this for me? Wait! Ayun na yung mangilog. Mangilog lagi siya daddy. Oh, mangilog siya daddy. What is this? I wanna open this one. I'm doing like grocery haul tapos binigyan ako. Meron kaming Amazon package na-receive. Actually, sa kanya to. What is this?
Well, open it and you'll find out.
Wait, so hard to open. She was like, never mind.
It's
Oh, if we're gonna watch.
so when you're sitting on the couch, you can
If
be
we're gonna watch
focused.
the thank you. I can't open this.
Well,
I can't grab it.
hold on. You got it?
Okay. Thank you so much. This is so nice. Oh, diba? To keep me warm. Kasi when we watch a movie, series,
Right.
Netflix.
Because you're the only one that gets cold.
Ako lang?
Nicole and Ashley don't
Does
get
it?
cold.
Well, they get used to the cold now. Me, I'm still like cold person. Cold person. Di naman kasi kami umaalis palagi. So anyway, unahin natin tong meat kasi ilagay natin siya sa ating refrigerator. Ano kami today kasi para hindi na kami aalis-alis. Usually kasi umaalis kami nag-grocery. Like pag naubusan kami ng guys, snacks for the kids. Anyway, meron tayong meat. Grocery haul na to kasi hindi ako nag-vlog kanina. This is chicken wings. So, kailangan ko siyang i-separate pa ito. Kailangan ko pala ito i-separate guys kasi marami yung laman ng isang package. Kailangan separate ko yan. Meron kami egg, pero I have to, gusto ko i-make sure talaga na hindi kami maubusan ng itlog. Kasi egg is light. Ay, dito na sa likod. And bumili din pala ako ng, guys, hahanapin ko talaga, I got this one. This is, salmon. Napabili ako ng salmon. We got this one as well. This one is pork, bone-in country style. This one. And then we also have, I have another, tuna. Bumili ako ng tuna. As gusto kong kumain talaga ng fish. And then ito naman, and we have bacon. We have this, yung asawa ko yung mas gusto ito. Prefer niya ito mga steak. Ang steak yung sa asawa ko guys. This one as well. Ito, Angus beef. Yan, sa asawa ko yan. Kasi mas prefer niya yung pang-healthy eat talaga. This one is beef round eye steak. This one. And then, meron tayong beef hot dog. Yan. So, and then, meron tayong snacks for the kids. This one, breakfast, not drinks. And then, yan, pang-separate ko pa yan. This one, meron tayong fruits, strawberry. Asan na yung ko? I have here the, this one, butter. Of course, we need butter kasi butter yung lagi kong ginagamit when I cook egg. Kasi yung asawa ko, mas prefer talaga niya na butter instead of oil. So, butter. So, we have a bunch of butter here. And then, I got chicken. Paano ba ito basahin? Basta salad siya. I got 2. This one. And then, I have another one. Pang-healthy lifestyle na to. Kasi I'm trying to avoid talaga, carbo. Pero today, I'm rewarding myself. Bumili kami ng cake. And then, ito garlic. Spinach. Pineapple. We have this kasi love namin to. Yung asawa ko, me and my husband, we love this so much. Like, whenever we watch series, we watch a movie, lagi kaming meron nito. So, ito yung kinakain namin while watching. And then, this is for my husband as well. Ito, keto na, tortilla wrap. And then, this one, we just tried this today. Meron silang pa-free taste doon sa, sa store. And then, I was like, wow, it tastes so good. So, napabili ako ng isang box. And then, meron akong bread. And we have cheese. And then, another cheese. And then, we have, this one is grapes. Yun lang. So, we are more on meat talaga kasi kumakain talaga kami ng meat. So, ganon. Separate ko lang tong meat, guys. Ang kailangan kong gawin kasi, ilalagay ko kasi siya sa like, gusto ko siya i-separate. So, meron na kaming mga ganito, ziplock kasi yung mga meat namin, gusto ko, like, i-separate ko siya kasi ayaw ko yung, like, kuha ng isang, kunin ito, and then ibalik. No, I don't like that. Gusto ko nakapag-separate na ako ng meat na ito yung maluluto ko today. Yan lang yung amount na lulutuin natin today. Yung mga ganun. Para hindi ba, ano ba tawag nito? Madubok ang atong karne. So, let's do that. Let's do this. Marami kaming ziplock. Yung asawa ko, grabe. When it comes to ziplock, he had everything. Separate natin yan para malagay natin sa ref. Kailangan ko rin palang kailangan ko rin organize yung mga laman ng ating freezer. Kasi, nung nakaraan, naglagay lang kami guys. Hindi ko siya in-arrange. So, this time, i-arrange ko siya. Para ma-fit natin lahat ng karne na meron tayo dito. What else? What ice cream? Ha?
At iring sa lahat dinis ng yung tapos
Nabuli?
overall busy.
3 p.m. So, yung asawa ko kakainin, guys. So, pakakainin muna natin yung asawa ko. Yung mga assignment, si Tiwas to ba ya?
Ha?
Tiwas yung assignment. You said you have assignment. Okay, so magbe-beef yung asawa ko, guys, here, oh. Ito yung lulutuin natin. And then, scrambled egg. Hindi ka ganahan? Bakit? Why? Nanay? Yeah. Are you sure? Magluto sa kong food ni Daddy. Okay, I'm sure hungry na si Daddy.
Mag-homework ko lang 4.
Kaya alas 4 pa. I'm really trying my best to avoid carbs na talaga, guys. Like, just so funny because here in the USA, everywhere you go, like, it's tempting to eat food. Kasi ang dami nilang food dito. Like, foods are everywhere and there are so many good food everywhere here in, Texas. Ay, Dara, nakita ko na siya, guys. Tapos kanina, inis na inis ako kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko nalagay. Tapos, andito lang pala yung botones na hinahanap ko, guys. Oh. Diba? Malala na talaga tong, nakita ko na siya. Here. So, this is the one I'm talking about. Ito yung hinahanapan ko ng, botones. Sobrang ganda dito. Natanggal yung botones sa may, shoulder na area. Wait. So, Super, super nice nito, guys. Look. Uy, nag-double lang. Wait lang, tanggalin ko itong isa kong coat para hindi. Sobrang nice talaga. Nagustuhan ko tong coat na yan. Kasi, like as in, sobrang nice niya, guys. Maganda siya kasi hindi siya yung masyadong mahaba na coat. Or how you call it? Coat, undercoat, overcoat. Ano ba tawag nito? Yung anak ko sabi niya, ay para ka ng Korean naman. Ayan, oh, maganda siya eh. And then, meron siyang buckle. Buckle? Ganito siya. Asa naman yun? Darang ano. Kasi, pag-wash ko nito kahapon, pinag-ano ko sila kasi natatakot ako matanggal to mga plastic ba. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-wash kasi. Kung i-wash ko siya, hand wash. Tapos, same pa rin naman kasi gagamitan ko pa rin ng dryer. Yan, oh, meron siyang ano, guys. Ayan, oh. Sorry about the bed kasi hindi ko yan na-fix today kasi nagmamadali kami kanina papuntang church. Ganyan na ganyan siya, guys. Meron siyang mga botones. Ganito, oh. O, diba? Mura na akong tag-iya og ano? Mura na akong tag-iya og kanang tag-iya og flower company. Flower company. Ano siya? Oh, maganda siya, guys. I'm telling you. Charan. Wait lang. Hindi yan mga nakabotonis yung iba. Pero may mga botonis yan. Ito yung natanggal. Itong botonis dito yung natanggal. So, ibabalik ko siya, which is this one. Diba maganda? Maganda siya talaga. So, hahanapan naman natin siya ng partner na maganda. So, maybe something black na pants or shorts. So, gustong-gusto ko siya talaga. Nakita ko siya kahapon and I was like, wow, kunin ko yan. Kasi I want that. Then, merong mga botones itong ano. Yan o, may mga botones yan. Yung sa shoulder lang yung natanggal. Giyahak, natangtang. Don't worry. Ikakabit natin siya ulit. Hahanapin ko yung mga tanod and dagong. But yeah, ganito siya. Sobrang ganda niya. I like it talaga. Like sa likod. Ganyan. Diba nice? Lagay natin to sa closet. Sobrang gusto ko to. First time ko magkaroon ng ganito. Meron akong mga malalaki kasi. Malaki sila ba? Tagko. Malalaki yung coat ko dito. Overcoat. This one is tamang-tama yung kanya. Perfect yung kanyang ano, yung haba. Rutin ko to, guys. This is from Forever 21. Bihis na ako kasi. Change na tayo ng clothes. Kasi wala naman kaming gagawin talaga. Like, tapos ko na napakain yung asawa ko, yung mga kids naman. Pakakainin ko yan mamaya, pero hindi naman sila yung mahirap pakakainin. Si mom naman, madali lang yung food niya. Kasi re-reheat lang yung mga food niya dyan. And ako, meron na akong boiled egg na naka-ready. So, yan lang yung kakainin ko for dinner. So, papanoorin ko na naman yung pinapanood ko na Netflix last night na sobrang nag-hook up na naman ako. Tapos na ako sa aking The Night Agent nung nakaraan pa, like last Saturday. Yeah, last Saturday. Kahapon? No, Friday ko natapos yung The Night Agent. Like, season 2, season 1. Tapos na, guys, sobrang ganda. Panoorin niyo siya sa Netflix. Umulan sa labasa. I-fix lang natin konti itong ating bed kasi matutulog naman tayo maya-maya. Ay, hindi na natin. Ayoko nag-fix. It's okay. So, yung binigay ng asawa ko, guys, hindi ko alam kung anong inisip na itong isa. Siguro nakita niya ako na sobrang gitugnaw ko. Palitan kong habol na baga. Which is really good. Kaya ganahan kong baga ng habol. Kaya tugdawon lagi ko dayon. Hoy, ambot na lang. Meron ako i-reveal today. Tapos sabi, hindi pa to alam ng asawa ko talaga. May i-reveal ako. Hindi alam ng asawa ko, guys. Tingnan natin kung magsashock siya today. Hindi niya siguro to na, hindi niya to napansin. Let's do this. Ay, ang dami ko pa palang isa-fold. Meron ako ipa-fold dito ng mga clothes kasi hindi pa ako tapos. Babe! I have to reveal. Bungol niya akong bana, guys. I have something to tell you.
Okay. What?
Something that I don't know. You'll be shocked, you'll be happy, or you'll be sad. I cut my hair. I cut my hair.
Okay.
Oh, that's it? So, okay daw siya. Thank you, masako. Nicole yung nag-cut kanina, guys. Hey, guys. Good morning. So, wait. Hindi ko ba? I will be asking Nicole to cut my hair kasi sobrang long na ng hair ko, guys. See? Long na yung hair natin. Ang buhaghag yung hair. Papaputol ko siya. Huh? Ready? My kids are laughing at me, kay. Like the result of this. Dili, pangutan na sa pagbuka na pit. Guys, I'm saying na
Trust
Nicole is my hairstylist. But again, I'm not afraid because mag-straight ako now. Tarot,
me. Just a hair cut.
Because it's gonna grow anyway. The hair will be growing, so
He's a look at
It's
the words
okay.
ni Ashley.
Good.
gusto na akong dili kayo taas akong hair. I realize na pag it's super duper taas, maglain na kay kong taon. Alright, let's do this straight lang, ha? Go.
Everything's gonna be
Isa lang, hindi nga ni kayo. Muad tuming daddy yung parlor. Nag-zigzag, guys. Ang ending, pupunta kaming parlor mamaya.
What if kailangan mo hindi ka dulot?
Nakadulot mo siya sim hair. Baga juga ko buhok, no? My hair is thick.
Ako di ay. Mas bugo.
Be the professional.
Be the professional.
Kasi dito.
Si Nicole yung nag-cut ng hair ni Ashley. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng haircut yan. What kind of haircut is that? Layered cut? Mushroom cut? Oh my gosh, I'm crying. Yung nanay ko, whenever I called them, laging sinasabi sa akin, ang pangit na ng hair mo, ang haba-haba ng hair. Let me see first. Everything is gonna be okay. Is it straight now?
Wait, napay na.
Napay na bilhin?
Gahi kayong buhok.
Yeah, I just wanted to cut it. Kasi sobrang long.
Yan na, ready?
Done?
Ready?
Bantay na, tapos nag-zigzag na ron.
Wala pa. Maglat.
Let me see. Oh my God!
Alam mo, ito. Para siyang kanaw.
Pala yung bikini ng asawa ko. Ay! Sobrang lambot niya, guys. And sobrang warm. Thank you so much. Hindi niya ako maririnig kasi naka-headphone. Naka-noise cancelling na headphone. Nag-watch ng kanyang politic thing. So, hayaan ko lang yan, guys. Kasi yan yung pinaka, yan yung me time niya talaga. Magwa-watch ng mga news and everything. Hala, this is so nice. Nakikita niya siguro ako dito na lagi ako nakaganyan balik. Nanonood ng TV, nilalamig. I have the throw away blanket as well. Yung nakikita niyo doon yung yellow. But manipis yon compared to this one. Hala, makapal to, guys. This is really good. I love this one.